Join me, let's make achi soup or bitter leaf soup. This is my achi. These are my onions with my different pepper. The small one is the one that is hot. Then this is my okporoko, and over there is my little chicken that I want to use for the kids. Then the smoked fish. So yeah, this is my defrost bitter leaf. Everything is all set. So join me. Let's prepare this soup fast. So this is my okporoko. I'm putting water to it to soften it. I want to wash it off, and then I'll put it in the pot to start cooking before I can grind the pepper along with the onions. So I'm trying to wash off the pepper as well as putting the onions together with it. And yeah, I was using just one hand and the rest of them, so I'm grinding it here, and then I'm putting a little salt. I've put the chicken along with the stockfish. I put a little salt, then I'm putting the mixed to go, my pepper, my onions, my garlic, everything that I grinded together. So I'm gonna cover it now and wait for it to boil for some time. Okay, as you can see, everything is boiling, everything is like getting around, and now I'm putting the red oil. I'm going to allow the red oil to boil for some time as well. In my soup recipe, they will tell you you're going to put the achi, just you're going to spread it a little bit around, stir the soup, and see if it has thickened a little bit. You go little by little, gradual process. You can see I'm checking it here to make sure that I've dissolved all the achi in the pot, and as you can see, it's becoming thick. You can see it right there. As I'm dissolving it, everything is coming around and it's becoming thick. And as you can see, when you're stirring your pot, you don't stir it in a way that the things that you're using to cook your chicken and the rest of them does not pieces out. So I stirred it very well, and I've put my dried smoke or my smoked fish. Um, then it's time to put the bitter leaf. I add the bitter leaf, and I will still stir it around, make it mix properly with the soup, and then I'm gonna cover it up to